What's up guys, I'm Shrikant from Happy Belly Fish and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make something that always comes in a package. It's a package of leaves that's often called cabbage. Now Charles Babbage, the father of computer, ate a cabbage and invented a computer. Now imagine what you can do with it if you started including it in your daily diet. Okay, jokes apart, this one recipe that I'm going to cook today is super simple, and if you love the taste of coconuts, you can combine cabbage and coconut. Now who would think about that, right? Now Indians have been doing that all along. They call it by different names, the names that even I can't pronounce. But let's call it cabbage and coconut recipe. The cooking time is so little for this recipe that you can dish it out or add it to any big party menu that you have in maybe under 20 minutes. So for this recipe, we will take a nice big whole round cabbage, but we will use only half of it. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Some turmeric, this will add some color and taste. Cumin seeds, totally optional, but if you like, but I prefer with cumin seeds. It helps me give it a flavor and helps you digest it. Now freshly grated coconut, this adds the sweetness to it, and some ginger, and of course salt to taste. Now before we're gonna cut this cabbage into many small pieces, we will pamper it a bit. Give it a nice head massage. It might give you some practice on how do you give any head some Indian head massage. And now that the cabbage is sleeping, you can start cutting it. You don't know where this cabbage was rolling, so we'll take the first layer of it out. And then slice the cabbage into halves. Now you must remember cabbage comes in different sizes. The smaller it is, the easier it is to cut and the nicer it tastes. The bigger and older the cabbage gets, the harder it will be inside as well. Now take the stem out of the cabbage very carefully. It's the hardest part, it doesn't have a taste and you don't want to eat it. Now dice the cabbage and slice them into really small pieces. This is the most difficult part of this recipe, cutting the cabbage. Now that the cabbage is sliced and diced, we will soak them in water and prepare the other ingredients. Now we'll take about a thumb size ginger and chop it really small at that speed. Now take a hot pan and add some coconut oil to it. Now coconut oil and ginger and cabbage, these three ingredients, they go along so well. It's almost like they were made for each other. Now I'm adding 2 small teaspoons of cumin seeds. We'll let it cook, let the aroma of the cumin seed come out, and then add the chopped ginger to it. We'll not cook it for too long. We don't want the ginger to be burnt. We just want the aroma to just start to come out. And then the soaked cabbage, we add it, spread it evenly. You can reduce the flame at this stage and mix it very nicely so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Now cover the pan, lower the flame, and maybe in about few minutes you can check it that it's not burning or it's not sticking to the pan. It takes about 10 minutes for the cabbage to be cooked. It's time for you to add the salt, and turmeric, about half a teaspoon of it. Mix it nicely, spread it evenly. Your cabbage will be yellow in color. That's like a transformation both in flavor and color that you get with turmeric. Now we will add the freshly grated coconut. Now you get grated coconuts already which are nicely packed. You can also add dry grated coconut if freshly grated coconut is not available. And mix it evenly. Make sure that you don't cook it for too long. If you cook the coconut for too long, it will dry too much and it will not taste very nice. It will be kind of husky. Now that the dish is ready, dish it out. You can actually eat it on its own like a snack in the evening time. Look, I'm trying it out with a chopstick. Might confuse some Chinese folks. Now, even if you don't get this dish right, it's really simple. At least you would have enjoyed the head massage part of it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, head over to happybellyfish.com and check out some amazing online programs and cooking classes that we are offering together with food experts from all around the world. Eat healthy, keep your belly and taste buds happy.